The first thing many persons struggle with is how to grip the base, and that is the first thing I will show you. Then we progress to making twist. Watch to the end and practice. So first you want to take your prepped extension over the natural hair. You are going to wrap it around the natural hair to make 3 pieces, and place the extension between your thumb and your index finger. Then turn your hand anti-clockwise to have that grip. Watch how I use a light but firm grip, not too tight but enough to keep the braid steady. Then I split the natural hair into 2 and do the same for one side of the extension. You can use the pinky finger or the middle finger to hold any of this. Now once attached, I start with a few braid motions, about 2 to 3, just to lock the base in place. This helps your twist stay firm and prevents it from unraveling. Now once we're done with that, we're going to split the middle extension into 2, and now we are ready to twist. So we twist each strand, one left, one inwardly, before wrapping them around each other like this. So you twist one side, cover the natural hair as much as possible, then lap them on top of each other. This is what gives your twist that smooth rope-like look. Keep your tension consistent as you move down, not too loose and not too tight. So here's the thing. As you continue to twist, the bottom part of the extension becomes tangled, like they are twisting on each other. This is what you do. You can stop at a point, take your hand to the ends and just flip your hand through it. So you continue to braid. One more thing, as you braid, if you notice any frizz, apply a little gel, braiding gel, to the natural hair so that you have that smooth look. Now we are making the second one just for emphasis. So we are going to use the same split the natural hair after attaching, split the extension, then start braiding. And just braid like 2 to 3 or 4 depending on you. Split the one in the middle and wrap it around on top of each other. That will take your braiding or your twisting game to another level. If you use this method, you will see how clean and uniform your twist will look, even without too much pulling or stress on your scalp. Try as much as possible to cover the natural hair with the extension. It will help you so that your hair will not be tugging out. And that is what we want from a protective style. So this is a slow clip to show how to twist. You twist it inward, the other one outward. Hold it and pull them on each other. Twist on each other. You add product if the hair is sticking out and just continue to twist. Once you reach the end, you can dip in hot water for a slicker finish. I'm not doing any of those now because I've done some of those finishing in some of my videos. Please do wait to check it. So you can add a bit of mousse or oil to the scalp to keep it hydrated and finish. And there you have it, a simple, secure grip and a perfect twist all in one tutorial. This is the slow motion. If you found this helpful, please like so that as many persons can see this video. Let me know in the comments if this was useful and subscribe for more easy protective style. Look at how cute this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.